having early lunch and first real meal of the day. Let's see what we can order. It's a look-book system for introverts like me. Let's order. Watch us tuk-tuk. We are ordering not beef or pork. So we are getting rice and vegetables, carb, and then check out. This is the amount. Now we pay. We pay and we get the food. Then wait for our order. How does our order look like? Here it is, chicken with vegetables and rice, and on the tea, I think it's winter melon tea. Let's eat.